Students, in our previous lecture, we have discussed about the distance time, displacement time or position time graph. And we have also seen that what new quantities are obtained from these distance time, displacement time or position time graphs. Now today we are going to discuss about the velocity time graph. Alright students, so our today's heading is velocity time graph. This is velocity and time graph. Velocity time graph. So student, whenever we want to draw the velocity time graph, we will use the coordinate axis. In these coordinate axis, the one axis, let us consider this x-axis, we consider a physical quantity time on this axis, and on y-axis, right, y-axis we consider a physical quantity, this is velocity. Alright, so we draw a graph between velocity and time for a moving object. Now from this graph, here this graph, this consists of two sections. One is the slope of the line, the slope of the line Now in this situation, the slope of the line means tan theta. This will be given by y-axis upon x-axis. Now student, as from the graph we know that on y-axis we have considered the physical quantity velocity, and on the x-axis we have considered the physical quantity time. Now student, we know that the velocity upon time, this is a new physical quantity, and this is known as the acceleration of the moving object. This is what? Acceleration. Right? So students, from the slope of the line of the velocity time graph, we obtain a new physical quantity. This is called acceleration. Right? So acceleration, this will give you the new physical quantity, that is acceleration. Alright, now if we consider the graph, the area of the figure, now area of the figure in this velocity time graph, then the area of figure will be given by, this is equal to y-axis into x-axis. Right? Now on y-axis we have considered a physical quantity velocity, and on x-axis we have considered a physical quantity time. Right? So students, from this here velocity can be written as displacement upon time, and this is time. So here we get the displacement. So it is clear that from the area of the figure obtained by the velocity time graph, we will obtain a new physical quantity. This is called displacement. So student, always keep in mind that from the velocity time graph we obtain two new physical quantity. One is acceleration of the moving object, and another is the displacement of the moving object. Right? Here acceleration and displacements are the two new physical quantities obtained from the velocity time graph of a moving object. Right students? Now after this student, we are going to discuss about the velocity time graph for the uniform motion of the object. So our next heading is velocity time graph for uniform motion, for uniform motion. Okay, students, we know that when an object has uniform motion, it moves with uniform velocity. Means object is moving with uniform velocity. Object is moving with uniform velocity. Let it be b, right? In the same fixed direction. In the same fixed direction. Here the object is moving with same uniform velocity. Now in this situation, when the object is moving with uniform velocity v in the same fixed direction, so the velocity time graph for uniform motion will be a straight line parallel to the time axis, right students? So in this case, if we draw the velocity time graph for this object moving with or performing uniform motion, then this is your time axis and this is your velocity axis. Now as the object is moving with uniform velocity v in the same fixed direction, ये आपका ऑब्जेक्ट सेम वेलोसिटी से मूव कर रहा है, यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी v से मूव कर रहा है, तो इट्स टाइम वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ फॉर यूनिफॉर्म मोशन विल बी ए स्ट्रेट लाइन पैरेलल टू द टाइम एक्सिस. मींस ये इस तरीके से ये आपका मूव करेगा. सपोज ये इसकी क्या है, वेलोसिटी v है, इस वेलोसिटी से ये आपका मूव कर रहा है. दिस इज ओरिजिन. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, फ्रॉम हेयर यू कैन सी दैट हेयर द स्लोप of the line, right, this will be equal to, आपके पास में क्या होगा, y axis upon x axis, right. तो यहाँ पर we can write this is what, this is change in velocity upon time, means change in time. Now student, you can see from this graph that there is no change in velocity, right, there is no change here. Change in velocity is 0. ये आपके पास में क्या है, 0 है. So this quantity means, so the acceleration will be 0. यहाँ पर acceleration क्या होगा स्टूडेंट, ये आपके पास में 0 होगा, right. Now student, if we consider the area of the velocity time graph as shown in figure, then we find that the following quantity can be obtained. Suppose this is the velocity time graph for uniform motion, right. This is your time axis, and this is your velocity axis. And let us consider the motion of the object between the time intervals t1 and t2. Now in this situation, let us consider these are the points A, B, C and D. So here area under the velocity time graph, right, between t1 or times t1 and t2 is equal to, this is equal to area of rectangle ABCD. तो स्टूडेंट्स आप यहाँ लिख सकते हैं, दिस कैन बी रिटन एज AD into DC, right? And this AD is equal to, what is this? This is the velocity, uniform velocity V, and DC is T2 minus T1. So students, you can see here that this is velocity into time. Now velocity into time is equal to displacement. So here you can see that the area of the velocity time graph for the uniform motion of an object will give you the displacement covered by the object, right, in time intervals t1 and t2, between t1 and t2. Now here, hence you can say, hence the area under the velocity time graph gives the displacement of the object in the given time interval, time interval. Right, students? So this is the analysis of velocity time graph for uniform motion, right students? So student, मैं इसको यहीं तक रखता हूँ, आप लोग इसको अच्छे ढंग से स्टडी कीजिए, इसके बाद हम नेक्स्ट टॉपिक लेंगे. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट, थैंक यू वेरी मच. नो स्टूडेंट्स, इसके बाद हम लोग एक नेक्स्ट पॉइंट और कंसीडर कर लेते हैं यहाँ पर, एंड दिस इज वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ फॉर uniformly accelerated मोशन. इस चीज़ को हम स्टडी कर लेते हैं. तो स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोग यहाँ पर ध्यान दीजिए, व्हेन ए बॉडी मूव्स विद ए यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन, अगर एक बॉडी जो है वो यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन के साथ मूव कर रही है, then its velocity changes by equal amounts in equal interval of times. यानी equal interval of times में इसकी velocity के अंदर जो changes होंगे वो क्या होंगे, आपके पास में सेम होंगे. तो जब आपके पास में ये सारे चेंज होंगे तो velocity टाइम ग्राफ जो होगा आपके पास में, इस सिचुएशन में आप देख सकते हैं velocity राइट टाइम graph for uniformly accelerated motion. अगर हम इसको कंसीडर करते हैं, motion is a straight line inclined to the टाइम एक्सिस. ये टाइम एक्सिस के इंक्लाइंड होगा. किस तरीके से होगा स्टूडेंट्स, आप इसको यहाँ समझ सकते हैं. मैं यहाँ केवल डायग्राम आपको यहाँ शो कर देता हूँ. तो दिस इज़ योर टाइम राइट, और दिस इज़ वेलोसिटी। सपोज़ इसकी कोई एक इनिशियल वेलोसिटी है तो इसका वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ जो है वो इस तरीके से होगा, राइट। ये आपके पास में ए पोजीशन में सपोज़ वेलोसिटी v0 है।